In this tutorial, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of converting Google Takeout files into other format using the PC.s Google Takeout Converter tool. To install the PC.s Google Takeout Converter tool, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch it. To begin, click on the Open button. This tool provides users with the option to select from multiple categories of email data. Email data file, desktop email client, email accounts, email servers. Further, each email category offers users a variety of file types. Navigate to the email data file, where users can view various file type options, including OST, PST, OLM, EML, MSG, OFT, and others. Click on the Google Takeout File option and then select Choose File from a Folder option or Choose Folders option. Select the Google Takeout file, and then click the Open button. A panel showing the entire structure of Google Takeout file will appear on the left. Click on any of the folders to preview its contents. Select an email to see the message. The tool will only display relevant information in the content section of the preview. User also have the option to save attachments if there are any. Right-click on attachment to open or save attachments. Tool provides users with open, save and save all option to save multiple attachments. Our tool provides users with various preview options, including content, header, raw, and hex views. This tool provides users with two types of search options: folder search and advanced search. Let's see the advanced search option. Click on the magnifying glass icon. This option allows the user to search the entire Google Takeout file, including emails. To convert a Google Takeout file to PSD format, go to the Export option. Our tool supports multiple formats, including email files, document files, email services, and email clients. For this tutorial, let's select the PSD option. Here user can see multiple export options to be included or excluded in exported PSD file, such as location bar, open folder after export is done, skip grayed out folders, create empty folders, delete old folders, include email headers. This option allows users to see all the headers in the email, which contain vital information about the sender, recipient, and routing details. Toggle it on or off accordingly. Create individual PSD file for each folder option creates individual file for each converted folder. After configuring all the settings, it's time for the export process. Click on the Save button, and the export process will begin. A pop-up will soon appear, notifying users that the trial version limits exports to 10 items per folder. To remove this restriction, users must purchase a software license. Click on Open Folder button. And here you have your exported PSD file. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.